Every year, millions of people decide to try plant-based eating for their health, for animals, or for the planet. Yet many stop before they begin because the information seems scattered and conflicting. If you have ever wondered how to go vegan without confusion, this beginner's guide breaks the process into 5 clear steps you can follow today. You do not need expensive superfoods or culinary training. You only need curiosity and a willingness to learn. Step 1. Start with familiar foods. Think about the meals you already enjoy. Pasta with tomato sauce, vegetable stir-fries, lentil soup, or hearty grain bowls are often almost vegan already. Begin by swapping animal ingredients for plant alternatives. Use soy or oat milk in your morning coffee instead of dairy. Replace butter with olive oil spreads or nut butters. For tacos, try lentils or crumbled tofu, seasoned with your favorite spices instead of ground meat. Starting with what you know makes the change feel like an expansion, not a sacrifice. Step 2. Build a balanced plate. A balanced vegan plate provides all the nutrients your body needs. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits, a quarter with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, and a quarter with protein-rich legumes such as lentils, chickpeas, or black beans. Pair grains and beans for complete protein. Add leafy greens and calcium-rich foods like fortified plant milks or sesame seeds. Consider a vitamin B12 supplement after talking to a healthcare professional, since B12 does not naturally occur in plants. When you focus on variety, different colors and textures, you naturally cover vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Step 3. Stock your kitchen. Smartly. A well-supplied pantry is the secret to stress-free vegan cooking. Keep staples like canned beans, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, whole grain pasta, frozen vegetables, and spices. With these on hand, you can create quick meals on busy nights without resorting to takeout. Batch cook grains on weekends, chop vegetables in advance, and store them in airtight containers. This preparation saves both money and time while ensuring balanced meals. Step 4. Learn to read labels. Animal products often hide in unexpected places: soups, sauces, breads, even candy. Scan ingredient lists for terms such as whey, casein, gelatin, and certain food colorings. Seek products fortified with nutrients like calcium or B12. The more comfortable you become with label reading, the easier shopping becomes. Soon you will recognize brands that consistently meet vegan standards and can shop faster. Step 5. Connect and celebrate. Lifestyle changes are easier with support. Join local vegan meetups or online communities where you can swap recipes and ask questions. Celebrate each milestone, whether it is your first fully plant-based week or trying a new ingredient like tempeh. Remember that perfection is not required. Every plant-based meal is a positive step for your health and the planet. Practical tips. Try one new vegetable or grain each week to keep meals exciting. Experiment with herbs and spices to satisfy flavor cravings. Listen to your body and adjust portions of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to feel full and energized. Going vegan does not have to be confusing or restrictive. Start with foods you love, nourish yourself with balanced plates, and lean on community for support. Subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tips and share this guide with anyone curious about plant-based eating. Your journey could inspire someone else to begin theirs.